It's almost that time of the year where all things are bright and merry. And if you're currently on the market looking for a website for your local Christmas lights installation service, you're definitely in the right place today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional $9 a month website for your local Christmas lights installation service on the Mighty Sites platform. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website for your local business. You can literally launch a website in less than a minute. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. In just a couple minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to build that professional $9 a month website for your local Christmas lights installation service on the Mighty Sites platform. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see here, we've literally got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various local businesses. It will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images as well, specific to that market that you have selected. I'm going to head to the top and search for my market's Christmas lights installation. Great, let's select that template. Awesome. We're now going to tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business, and it's literally going to take that information, do all the hard work, and generate a professional website for you. So let's say I have a business in Denver. I'm just using this as an example. Denver Christmas lights installers. Let's put that in over here. Once you click the continue button, Mighty Sites will literally take a couple seconds and generate a whole professional website for you and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. So if you scroll through here, it's literally going to show you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds, show you how to update the sections, fill in the text box to easily add your business information, add your social media links, which is a great idea for better SEO and credibility. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be tech savvy at all. This is easy enough to actually do from your mobile phone. As you can see here, those pre-selected images that I've spoken about, they're all really high quality. This is absolutely stunning. They're completely free for you to use for your websites. Content pre-written specific to a Christmas lights installation service. Maybe you've recently launched your business, you don't have any of your own photos of your work, that's okay. You can literally leave this website as is, share it with your customers, you're good to go. But if you want to make any changes, it's really straightforward. Let me show you how to do that. So at the bottom over here, I'm going to show you a really cool function that we've recently introduced. This is the Elfsight widgets section. It's completely optional. You don't have to make use of the section, but I recommend it to improve your website. If you haven't heard of Elfsight before, the link is down below. Elfsight basically allows you to upgrade your website without any coding. There's loads of different widgets to choose from. You can add a blog, you can add Facebook reviews, Google reviews, a Google Maps section, an event calendar. There is a free plan available as well. And to sign up, you don't even have to put your credit card details in, just like Mighty Sites. That's what I love best about it. Now, depending which widget you choose or which plan, it can set you back around $5 to $10, which is really worth it. However, there is a free plan available as well. Great. So I've already registered an account on Elfsight for free. I'm going to go ahead and select the Google reviews. I would like to add my Google reviews to my Mighty Sites website, make it look more trustworthy and add some credibility over there. You can choose from the different templates over here. This one's perfectly fine for me, and continue with this template. You're going to now type in your business name here to pick up your Google business profile. If you haven't claimed your Google business profile, I highly recommend that you do it. Click on the link below, claim your Google business profile, make it official, encourage your customers to leave reviews. It really does help with your SEO and credibility. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my business here. Awesome. It's now going to collect my reviews and pull them in over here. Once it's done, we can click on publish. So you absolutely don't need to know any coding. It's really straightforward. It's done for you. So let's click on publish. We're now going to click on install, copy the code, and this is the only section at the bottom. Your Elfsight code will work in, no other sections. Let's go ahead and paste that in. Really straightforward. I really don't know coding myself, and that was super simple. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. Awesome. Look at that. My Google reviews are now visible on my Marty Sites website. Definitely makes it look more professional, adds to the professionalism of the website. So the first section at the top over here is where we can put in a few basic contact details for our business. Let's pop in our email address over here. And we want to make sure that that's visible to our customers. So make sure you check the box, show email on site. Phone number is click to call. An address. Maybe you're a mobile business and you travel to customers' houses. You can leave the address part off, but if not, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Very convenient. Social links is where you can put in the various social media profiles for your business. Definitely helps with engagement, get some more followers on your social media accounts. It will literally display the little social media icons at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website. In the next section, if you've got a business logo, go ahead and upload it here. If you've recently launched your business, you don't have a huge budget for a designer, I want to recommend that you make use of canva.com. There is a paid plan available. I think it's around $13 currently per month. It actually is a good investment for social media flyers and advertising banners and all that sort of stuff for your business, which you absolutely can make use of the free. It's definitely good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and just search for Christmas logo over here. Awesome. As you can see, the little icon on the right means it's on the paid version for Canva, but there are some that are completely free that you can make use of that are not on the paid plan. So I think I'll use this one over here that is free. And you can customize each logo. You can change the colors, the fonts, and make it more suited to your business. Perfect. So this is just a very quick example. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Head back over to my Marty Sites website, browse my device, and upload that one. That's how quick it was to get a logo for my business. Over here, you can make edits to your logo. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. So now for each section, you want to change the images, all the content and the call to action buttons. Just click on that update section button directly underneath it. Over here is where you can update your image. You can browse your device or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. As you can see, you can also change the keywords and find more images suitable to your business. These are all free and they are really stunning. Completely free for you to use. You're not going to get any trouble to use them. Over here, update action. That means the call to action buttons. For instance, view our pricing. You can change the text on those buttons. You can link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings for consultations or free estimates. You can put in a calendar booking website over here. You can link to an action like click to call or directions. And one of my favorites is to upload a PDF file. So you could upload your pricing points or different services, different lighting options in PDF format. So when your customers click on that button, they can find all the information linked directly to that PDF file. If you're unsure about what to write for your sections, you can use, of course, another free tool, which I absolutely love, and that is ChatGPT. So we can say something, just give it prompts like write me an about me section for my Christmas light installation service located in Denver, Colorado, and I've been operational for 10 years. Okay, great. You can obviously be a bit more specific, but there is a very wonderful about us section. Literally did all the hard work for me and wrote something specific to my business. So you can put in the information over here. Now in the last section here at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries or questions. You can change this as well. Put in maybe your trading hours or more contact information, whatever you want. You can edit that content. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Every time a new lead comes in, you will get notified by your registered email, so you can stay on top of it and keep track of your customers. If you've got a custom domain, that was a smart move because having a custom domain makes your website look more professional, trustworthy, and easier to share with your customers. So if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on that connect your domain at the bottom. Marty Sites makes connecting your existing domain super simple. Just pop in your URL over here. If you don't have a custom domain yet, all you need to do is click on purchase a new domain. You can purchase one via the Marty Sites website. Here we have a professional one-page website. It's literally good to go. However, maybe you want to add a couple more pages. Great news, you can. All you need to do is click on the top here, add a new page. You can add up to 9 pages. After adding a new page, be sure to add it to your website's menu. All pages have the same layout and the URL is automatically generated from the page title. Let's say I'm going to create a page called FAQ, frequently asked questions. Add the new page, and over here you can update the section, put in all the information and an image. We have another Elfsight widget section over here. You could add a second widget, maybe like a logo showcase or a number counter. Then you have another contact form here at the bottom. One thing worth mentioning is you can add up to 9 pages. It's not going to affect the pricing of your multi-site website. It's going to remain at $9 a month. Hope this short overview video was helpful in building a website on the multi-sites platform for your local Christmas lights installation service. If you have any questions about multi-sites, feel free to pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Don't forget to check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. Really wishing you and your business multi success.